Hey guys, welcome for a new tutorial. So this is Mike for Maker Generation. I'm about to show you how to code a blinking LED with an Arduino board. So by the end of the video, you'll be able to create a variable by coding. You'll be able to connect an LED with a resistor to an Arduino and much more. Alright guys, let's get started. For this project, guys, as I was telling you, we're trying to make a bar graph. So we with all different LEDs. So we make 4 of them together, and we make the bar graph we code it and make it move one after another one. So the next part is going to be the coding part. But before, we're gonna need some LEDs, the wires, the breadboard. So this is the sampling of the resistor we're going to use, and the LED. I think you're already aware of it. So we have a longer pin and a shorter pin. We're going to need resistors, and we're going to need an Arduino Uno. So that's the heart of the project. So now, guys, before we get started, so I want to show you what it looks like. By that I'm saying what the schematic looks like, on the computer. All right, let me share that with you. So that's the project here, and there we go. So this is what it looks like. I can spend some time here trying to explain you what it is. So here, this is a software called KiCad that we're using. And with this software, we can make more or less complex projects. So you can understand what I'll be doing in a couple of minutes. So here, this is the Arduino board. You can go and pick it. And we use 4 pins from 7 to 10. So from there, we will include resistors, And from the resistor, we connect the LED. So this is the plus side of the LED because it comes on plus and minus, like batteries. And we connect it on the plus side for each of them. And after that, we connect it to the ground, GND, or we can call it also the minus. So this is what the schematic look like for the project. And believe me, for each electronic project you need to put your hands on. You do need a schematic, so that help is the project. We can say it like this. All right then. So now let's move to the next project here. All right. So now let's go to the coding part. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to create. We're going to declare the pin, so we can can call it variables if you want to. Constant int, and I call them LED. So we say we're going from pin 7 to pin 10. So we call the first one, we call it LED 1. The second one, we call it LED 2. And we can keep going this way. Just need to copy it. We just need to copy paste it, and we do here 9, and we do here 10. So this is what we're about to do, guys. So here we have all the LEDs: LED 1, LED 2, LED 3. Oh, sorry, LED 3, LED 4. We can have some error coming back when we compile the project. All right. So now that we have our project declared, so now we have our pin declared. We can use what we call pin mode. Pin mode is an Arduino function, the Arduino engineers created to declare our pins, since we have different pins, on the analog pin and digital pins. An analog pin going from 0 to 13 on the Arduino, we want it to be an input or an output. So this is where we do it. So let's say LED 1, so it's going to be pin 7. We want it to be an output, so you capital case and we put out as an output. Alright, and we keep doing the same thing. Pin mode, LED 2, output, and we do it 2 more times since we have 4 pins. There we go, and we need to change the name of the variables here. 84, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright then. So we have made all the declarations, so put it in void setup. Now we're going to in the main loop. And we're about to do the job. So you know, we will need to turn the first LED 1 at 1. We wait 1 second, we turn it off. We're gonna need to turn this one on, we wait 1 second, we turn it off. We're gonna turn this one on, wait 1 second, turn it off. So that's going to be more or less what we're about to do right now. And how do we turn an LED on or pin on? So it's gonna be with function created by the Arduino engineers. It's called digital write. Let me show you. Digital write. So you see it turns orange, and we need to put the pin that we're using. It can be the first one, pin 7, or we can put LED 1. Alright, and want it at high, all in capital, and we close the parentheses. Alright guys, so that's what we want. From there we need to put a delay, remove the capital, delay, we put 1000 for 1 second. That's how it is guys, it's in millisecond. And then we turn it off. Yep. Digital write. It's gonna be for LED 1. Oh, I'm sorry, I need to put it at low. Voila. That's going to be for LED 1. And I forgot, we need to put delay 1000. So we need to wait for 1 second, and after that we switch to the other one. See, thing looks good to me. Now we need to do the same thing for LED 2. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so we're not going to do all of that, you know. We do the whole law of copy paste. You know, that can be helpful. Let's do it. Control C, Control V. Alright, I think I forgot the D here. I forgot the D. LED 2, LED 2. Alright, I can do the same thing here. Control C. We go here and Control V. Alright guys, so LED 1, LED 2 is going to be LED 3, LED 4, LED 4. See what we will do. Let me see, digital write, void loop. Everything seems correct to me, guys. If you see anything, let me know in the comments, but from now on I think everything is correct. So I'm going to verify it. See, everything is correct, so let me call it bar graph. Alright, and now you compile the sketch to see everything is correct, see if there is any errors. I don't think there are any, but let's see. Oh, I think I forgot, and I forgot one here too, and I forgot one here too, and one here too. Let me save, Control S, and let me run it one more time. Okay, where is the error this time? Oh, I put a colon instead of semicolon. Yeah, I think that made the same mistake here too. Alright guys, starting being a bit distracted. I don't know what, but yeah, it happens guys, it happens. So Control S. Let me run it one more time. That's why the code is there, to help us, to the compiler, to verify for us and help us on things we don't especially see. So guys, you did a good job. Alright again guys, so it's written done compiling. I'm going to show you that, but before I switch to the screen, so I want to show you what it does on the Arduino IDE. So I'm about to upload it here, so I want you to see what's going to happen here. Alright, so you see here, so it shows you how it, alright, that's one thing. So now let me switch it. Switch the screen, I mean, I'm sorry. Voila. And now I'm about to upload, like I did 10 seconds before. I'm about to upload it. Let's see what it looks like. So you can see here, it will the LED will blink, meaning it's working. The code has been uploaded. Alright guys, so now next step is plug everything. So I'm going to unplug it. So let's keep a little bit of drama mystery here. This is what I'm about to do. Let me do that. I'm about to put a couple of resistors one after another one here, like the schematic we did before. So you can take a look at the schematic we did before, and I connect all the resistors together. And I can even switch colors. That could be cool. Let me put red, blue, and yellow. I hope it will be enough. So we see we can switch it after, but I just want to make sure you guys see it with the camera. Maybe not this one. This one is a bit. All right. So this is what we call an LED, guys. So the longer pin. The longer pin is the plus, and the shortest one is the minus. So keep doing that, guys. Alright. Not easy, but doable. It just requires patience. So it's done for the LEDs, guys. Now I'm going to get all the resistors. So you can get 100 ohm resistors or 1000, so we can still be able to see what's happening. Let's see this one. This one must be let me see, 100. All right. There we go. The red LED. I'm going to do it for the green LED, guys. There we go. Voila. I'm about to do it for the yellow LED now. Alright, so I put all the minus of the LED on one side. So what I'm going to do is pick one wire here. Pick one wire. So all that is connected, and put it on the ground here, GND. Put it on the ground. There we go. Alright, so guys, I don't know if you remember. Alright, let me take 4 wires and we can switch to what's next. I don't know if you remember, guys, but the pins are connected from the LEDs are connected from pin from pin 7 to 10. So I go in order: 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's take a look here. So that's pin 7 here. I connect it like this. Pin 7, pin 8, pin 8, pin 9, so it follows the order, guys. So I'm doing nothing extreme there. And it will be here, pin number 10. It's connected to the fourth, to the fourth one. There you go, guys. I think we're all done. So now drum time, drumming time, some suspense here. Let's connect it, give it some power and see how it goes. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, it looks like the Knight Rider to me, guys. Whoa. Let's take a look at that. Let me remove everything here. Everything. Alright, let me change it, put it this way, maybe you can see a bit better. Alright, guys, so that's what it is. So let's try to make it a bit faster, guys. Alright, so this is what I'm about to do. I'm going to switch screen, and I'm about to switch screen, and from there we'll make the changes. Alright, guys, so as I was telling you, here we make some changes. So I put it at like 150, so we want it to go a bit faster, so we can see it's gonna be like the Knight Rider. If you remember that with a series back in the 80s, you kind see it in the 90s, but you got the point. 150, and I put here 150. Going to put here 150, and we're going to upload it. There you go, guys. So that's what it looks like. It really looks like the Knight Riders. How fun is that? So you can even make it go in the reverse way, guys. So these are all experiments you can do at home, if you want to make it fun and enjoy it a little bit, guys. So guys, that's the end of the tutorial, guys. So as you know, please give it a like. As you know, guys, give it a like. Leave some comment if you have any question or any suggestion, or what can be done, what you want to see next. And don't forget to share the video for someone you think would like it, would like the type of project. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, guys, see you for another tutorial. Bye.